Guys, welcome to video 2 on how to trade on IQ option. This is GBP USD. Let's trade here, but it's going to be on my demo account. GBP USD. I come here, I select option, I come to GBP USD here. Now I ensure the time frame because I'm trading 5 minutes expiration. I will make sure the time frame here is 5 minutes. Look at the timer here is 32, 31, 30. Immediately it gets to 30 and below, then I can change my timer here on IQ option to 5. Look at the timer on IQ option. Look at it here. Just click on the last one that says 5 something. Automatically this will be ending in 5 minutes expiration. Then look at this indicator. We have one arrow here, we have another arrow here, and this one has cut across the red line above. So I'm trading down automatically. I just traded. You trade when your timer here has gotten to 0001, 1 second for you to count down. So you trade. Because of the delay and the lag, it will enter automatically. So if these conditions are met, look at the 3 conditions are met. But do not worry. The tester indicator, the one that shows us star, the star. Remember, an arrow pops up on it. An arrow up here, an arrow here, and this shoulder heel has cut up above the upper red band, and this candle here on my main chart, the signal candle, had cut outside the upper band. So that was why I took this trade in, for you to see how you trade on IQ option. But if I were to trade on my real account, I will not take this trade. Why? Because my main indicator that pops up on my main chart has not come out. What is the indicator? Let's look at it here. This is the indicator here. You see this white indicator here? It pops up here. And you see this weighted CCI? There is also a white indicator here. It pops up here. Forget this star indicator. Look at the shoulder indicator here. You can see, how do I even place this for you to really understand what I am talking about? But hope you understand. An indicator here, the trend, the candle is outside the lower Bollinger Band, or the candle is outside the lower green band. That is 1. 2, the indicator pops up. 3, there is an indicator that pops up on a weighted CC. 4, there is this shoulder indicator that pops below the lower green line. With these 4 indications, I will trade blindly, as in, look at the trade was won. Now let us look for another example. Again. I believe you have already known how to place your trade. I believe you have known how to place your trade. Look at how to place your trade. So now let's look at another pair for a better explanation, if there is any. Okay, so USD, good. Now look at this one again. This is Euro JPY. Now look at this indicator on the weighted CCI. An indicator pop up here on the weighted CCI. An indicator pop up here on this star indicator known as tester 2. Another indicator pops up on the shoulder indicator, and the shoulder candle was above the red upper line, and the main chart, the signal candle, was also above the red upper band. It was a trade. You see, it's a win-win situation, guys. Just for a more confirmation, that was why I added this indicator. But we are still using our main arrow indicator and everything, okay? So this makes it much more simpler. I'm going to pause this video and waited for the first trade with you. You know, in binary option, it is not over until it is over. Once again, Odayemi Akinyemi is my name. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube video, kindly do so that you'll be getting video of such. Thanks for waiting. Unfortunately, I cannot pause this video, but you can see how greatly it is in the morning. You can see, just follow these indications I've told you. Most of your trades will be won. This indicator I'm using on my main chart is a must that you must have. It is a must to be have. Thank you. Okay. I think